This is the brand new amenity center and clubhouse at the Falls at Parkland. Hi, I'm Pam, your lifestyle director. Welcome. Now is your time to enjoy the carefree lifestyle that you deserve, and I'm here to help you along the way. You're going to love the relaxing vibe of our tropical pool and spa. It's the perfect setting for a swim or a lazy day relaxing in one of our comfy cabanas. We have lots of outdoor activities, including bocce and pickleball.
After moving to the Falls, some neighbors asked if I wanted to play pickleball with them. I joined them, and my husband plays with us as well. And then afterwards, he goes off to the fitness center, and I take a yoga class with them.
Everyone's enjoying themselves, whether they're playing pool or cards or doing crafts together. I even see a theater group forming or possibly a band in the future. Everyone here is getting to know each other and having fun planning new activities. Book and morning coffee clubs are forming, and there's even talk of an art show in the future. Here I am in our beautiful, spacious ballroom. This room is going to be the backdrop for special events as well as live performances. And trust me, you're going to love our lineup. Truly, the experience is yours to enjoy here at the Falls at Parkland. There's so many wonderful things to do and so many great people to meet. Come and see for yourself, and you'll be glad you did.